Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on when you all will be watching this video. Now, I'm going to label this video number 1, informational. And the reason I'm telling you guys this is because as I upload these videos, you need to watch them in order. And I will make sure I have them labeled video 1 informational, and then I'll have chapter, whatever it may be, chapter 11, chapter 10, chapter 9, and right after the chapter it'll be chapter 11 will be video 2, and then so forth and so on, because I want you to make sure you have all this upfront information before you start watching the lecture videos. Now, as you can see, what you see in front of you is the BITC homepage, which if you're looking for that, it's bpcc.edu. And from the homepage, at the top we have these items up at the top that, there's Lola and Canvas, my BITC, your email, and then there's a calendar, okay? So, also there is just quite a bit of information on here. If you'll notice in this bottom left-hand corner, there's Corona information right here. So, the first thing I want to say to all of you is please stay informed, okay? Not just on your local news and what's going on in your local area with the state, but also make sure you stay informed on what's going on at school, okay? Because we're all online now, and I know this is difficult, but what we're going to do is we're all going to work together, and we're going to get this semester finished so that everybody can get this semester behind them with as little damage as humanly possible, okay? So I wanted to start off by showing you this because you see the video in front of you, you hear my voice. This is what the lectures are going to be like. Almost exactly the same in class, except you won't see me pacing around, and we won't be able to interact as much on these lecture videos. But stay tuned, because I'm working really hard to get some stuff in place so that some of our stuff can be a little more interactive, okay? So just to give you, I wanted you to see this so that you will understand where you can go for some information. I've sent out 2 emails to you guys all. One email was about resources out there dealing with the internet that you could get that would be really helpful to you if you need it. And the other email was about some other stuff, and it highlighted this, the coronavirus information on the BITC homepage. So first and foremost, stay informed, guys. Check your BITC email several times a day, and make sure you get on Canvas several times a day, okay? If you start feeling overwhelmed or you have any issues whatsoever, please reach out to me, okay? So, because we can all work together to get through this, okay? So, as I said, most important thing, watch the videos in order, okay? So you're watching this one, and other than the information I just gave you, I detailed a lot of information in your emails. You got 2 emails from me that give you a whole lot of information. Please read your emails. Please check your emails, check Canvas, and go to the BITC homepage. It gives you a lot of information, okay? Now, when you watch them in order, you'll watch this one, and then the very next one is going to be on chapter 11, which starts in page 371 in your textbook, and it's on capillary specimens, okay? Because right now everybody has either already taken test number 3 or is taking test number 3 today. That is the test that was over the chapters that we covered in face-to-face, chapters 16, 17, and 8. So we covered all those chapters in class, and you guys left for spring break with the notion that we were going to come back from spring break, and then you guys would take your test when you got back from spring break. But as we know, that didn't work out quite the way we wanted to, and spring break lasted a week longer, and now here we are Thursday into this week. So we do need to play some catch-up. Now, one of the things that will help us catch ourselves up and get us a little bit back on track, is that I'm going to be able to record these videos quickly. So I am going to be able to quickly get up chapters 11, chapters 10, and chapters 9 up for you guys to watch, and you'll be able to pause them and rewind them. So I'll be going through it real fast, and you'll be able to pause it, rewind it, go back over it. You have your study guides there at home in your black binder with you. Do it just like you did in class. Watch them fill out your study guides and start studying immediately. Because as soon as we can get these chapters up on for you guys to look at, then we're going to start having a discussion about when we want to have our next test. Now, don't panic. It won't be tomorrow, okay, or anything like that. I'm going to give you plenty of time to read your chapters in your textbook. That's vitally important if you want to be really successful, not only in this class, but as you move forward in your phlebotomy training classes, taking your certification, when you're doing your clinical rotation, and when you go to work. The best thing to do is have all these tools at your disposal. So if you guys will read chapters 11 now. You should be reading chapter 11 right now. I will get chapter 11 up ASAP, and I'll let you know when it's up. You will watch the video, you will fill out your study guides, and you will start studying. Okay? As soon as you get your study guide filled out and read chapter 11 in your textbook, go on and move to chapter 10 and then chapter 9. Okay? And I will get those up. So, and remember, use those tools. I'm going to talk not too fast that you can't understand, but I'm going to talk relatively fast, and I'm going to go through each one of these chapters. But during it, you will have the chance to stop it, rewind it, and pause it. So use that, okay, so that you can get your study guides filled out and you can read your chapters and start studying. And don't forget about your listings and all your keywords and your abbreviations and all those kinds of things. So I hope everybody's doing well, and I will. I'm grading the test. I know it's a little stressful that the tests are timed, but that's just what we have to do. I am looking at moving it from 40 minutes to 45 minutes, and keep posted because I'm going to start putting some videos up in our lab class. I'm not sure how the lab class is going to turn out. I'm going to keep you guys posted on all that information as I get it. But please try to stay on top of your studying, okay? And reach out to me if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, okay? You guys have a great day.